Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own text, make your own word art, or make your own graphics, whatever you wish to call it. So the first thing we're going to do is go on cooltext.com. And then we're just going to pick out the style we like. For an example, I really like this one. And then you're just going to pick out your text. For an example, I'm going to call mine Project Ow. And you guys could make it fancier by adding emojis to it, black and white emojis, because it also applies to the text generator. So, yes, something I said like this. Pick some, just copy and paste it, and then apply it here. And that's how our text is going to look like. We could design it just a little bit more. We can change the colors of it. We can change the thickness, and so on. Its shadow. And there are other settings. But I really don't think changing the height of it would actually make anything. It's only going to make that transparent more longer, but not the text itself. And it's simple as that, guys. So now we just gotta download the logo, or create it really. So now just click download, and then just click save. It should be up here. And there you guys have it. And if you guys want to do something cooler with it, you can actually apply it to an image. So you guys are pretty much done watching. But if you guys want to see something even cooler, then I would just keep watching. Thank you. So I'm gonna go to pixel art real quick. Can't spell it, that's okay. I'm gonna open an image real quick. Just grab a cheeseburger out of nowhere. And I'm not sure where we have the text at. Oh, there it is. And here's our new generate text. So yeah guys, that's all I have for today. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.